Okay. So here we are in this one. Wanting to work this out. So where do we start? Well, you know, we have to start here in the parentheses, don't we? Got to finish that up. So what do we got there? It's going to be 25 plus 7. Like that. And I'll just bring everything else down. Okay, and then 25 plus 7. Finish that up. Is that 32? So I just finished the parentheses, right? Because you remember the order of operations, parentheses are first. Like that. All right. Let me write out the order again, just to have it right before our eyes. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sal. Parentheses. Exponents, powers. Multiplying and dividing. Adding and subtracting. Last, notice what's last. Adding and subtracting. Okay. So come on over here now. What am I gonna? I gotta work on these brackets now, don't I? So what am I gonna do? Can I subtract these guys? No, because adding, subtracting is last. So instead, I'm going to multiply these guys because multiplying comes before adding, subtracting, right? So multiply these two. 3 times 32, it's at 96. Oh, and let's just go ahead and add these out here. What is this? 2. I'm kidding, and you can't do that. That's a common mistake I've seen over my years of teaching is that people will accidentally add these guys outside. You can't do that. Why not? What's last? Adding, subtracting is last. You can't have them cut in line like that. No. Adding, subtracting is last. You got to leave them. They can't just add. Nope, they cannot add. They have to wait their turn. No cutting in line. What has to happen first is these brackets. Remember, parentheses and brackets, that's all. When I write P for parentheses, it's brackets is the same thing. Or even curly brackets, which we have. Sometimes it's all the same thing. They're just a grouping symbol, and they must be done first before any adding or subtracting. Okay, so just leave the -4 plus 6. Just leave them sitting out there waiting their turn. And then what happens in here? -6 minus 96. It's minus 102, right? Because that was you lose $6 and you lose $96. You lost a whole bunch of dollars. All right, what happens now? Now we can add these and get 2. Nope, not that, right? Why not? Because what's last? Adding, subtracting. We have to multiply first, don't we? First, multiply this times this, and you get -612. A positive times a negative, right? A positive 6 times a negative 102. -612, and then finish it, -616. There's the real answer. So watch out. You can't subtract those numbers in the front because adding, subtracting is last. It has to wait all the way to the end to do that. There we go.